everybody, it's your girl Jenna from Disorderly Planner, and today we are going to do a lucky envelope. So go ahead and get your supplies and let's get this little hugger cut out. Now, in the event that you do not have glue or double-sided adhesive, you can use washi, and that's what I'm going to be doing today after we get this all cut out and folded and put together. When you print it out, you'll notice that there are some dotted lines. Go ahead and fold over on all four sides to make the edges for our envelope, and you might want to fold them over again just to reinforce that, and then we're going to be ready for our next step here. Once I fold all the edges together, I go ahead and I fold the envelope in half for a hamburger fold, which you see here, and then I go ahead and place the money in, and I am using washi tape today. And I'm just going to make it so I'm taping all of the sides together. This will enable the kids to take a little bit longer and appreciate the hard work that went into making their lucky envelopes when they open it. Or you could just be fancy and use some double-sided adhesive tape, which I couldn't find. Once I have all of my washi in place, I'm going to go through and trim it up, and then really you could be done. But if you know me, I'm a little extra, so I'm just going to put some decorative stickers that I hand drew for Lunar New Year kit and put it on the little hugger. And there you have it. So that is our lucky envelope. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope that you have a great new year. Thanks for watching. Bye!